Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I'm your host, the Web Gear Guy, and today, right here on the table, we want to take a look at some more of a Cold War kit item from the Bundeswehr, the West German Army. What we're looking at here is a second pattern set of suspenders. Well, that's what we call them over here on this side of the pond here. But we call them suspenders here. I believe over there, maybe they call them braces on that side of the world. But anyway, this is a pair of a second pattern. Now, not a lot has changed between this and the first pattern. The changes basically are, these are no longer riveted on. See, on the first pattern, you'll see that they are riveted on, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Make a quick comparison so we don't have to make a whole separate video just to show the comparison. But anyway, I try to keep my videos short and to the point to not tie up everybody's time. But anyway, this is a second pattern. Another way you can tell is it a second pattern is that they've added they've went to, instead of the square D-rings here and here, they went to this round D-ring. Other than that, these are pretty much the same. They function the same way, one size fits all. Breakover clamps slide up and down for adjustment. These little spring clamps go down and catch the belt keepers or into the top of the ammo pouches. See, like that. Okay. So either way, but they still have some nice padding on here. It's kind of a hard, thick padding, but I mean it's pretty good little padding. This here still is at 1.5 inches, but the real main changes, they still jingle, make a lot of noise, get a man killed in combat with a bunch of racket like that. But the main changes were they changed this from being riveted on, and they went to a round or a semi-round circle there to for the attachment points. But anyway, let me